Visual C Sharp, and basically it does nothing up till now. The problem I'm attempting to solve is this one, which you also have in your screens with you. This is the layout which I need to create. Let's first of all create this layout. Okay. Um, so I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 text boxes, 5 check boxes. On top of them, 2 labels for quantity and select beverage. On top of this, a menu. Okay, so I will create this myself. You can also create this with me. I'll click on the form, right click, properties, right. So these are 3 labels I added. You guys with me? Now I need to add these 5 text boxes and 5 check boxes. Control Alt X is again the shortcut of this toolbar. Text box. Now this is what you can do. Reduce the size of the text box once. Place it below the quantity. Why you reduce the size? Because we don't want a larger text box, because the quantity can be 1, 2, 3, maybe 10, or maximum 100. It cannot be like million. And then you can copy and paste. The size will be the same. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. So it will be the same size because you copied. You don't have to do the resizing again and again. You with me? So I reduced the size, placed it once below the quantity, and copied and pasted 4 times. Similarly, select beverage. I will do check box, drag and drop below select beverage. I don't need to do the resizing because this is the text. What was this? Are you waiting for me? Yeah. Yeah. It will go as text. It has to be converted to integer. Let's get there. Yeah. Int.parse. And then you have 3 radio boxes: Alshaya card, cash, and credit card. So let's go to Control Alt X, search for radio, and add over here 3 radio boxes, 3 radio buttons. First radio button is Alshaya card -2%, and this is its text I have written. Alshaya card -2%, and I give it a name, and that name is Shaya card. Second one is cash. Cash radio. Make sure you give correct names so that you can refer to them in your programming. I have changed it to Alshaya card radio, and then cash radio. Now I'm changing its text to cash. The third one is credit card +2%. C card radio. So you have three payment options. Okay, you guys with me? Now you have a button called placeholder and then a label called total. We have developed up till here, then we have a placeholder button and then a total. So let's do this. Control Alt X, go back to button, go back to toolbox, search for a button, create a big button and give it name, any name, but the text should be place order. And in the end, there should be, the text should be place order. In the end, there should be a label for the results, total results. Total. So what is the total? I'll give it a name, total label. So this is an interface I've done. There is no programming up till now. So looks similar more or less. Did I do this? I have to write this. The name of the drinks: latte, cappuccino, mocha, macchiato, espresso. Have you tried this, by the way? Latte from Ednock. So now it is important to give them correct names so that in your programming you can refer to these names correctly. Meaning you don't forget these names. So this is latte, C box, anything which you can remember. Latte, I'll write CH box. And its text is latte also. I'm giving latte as its text and latte CH box. Latte as its text and latte CH box as checkbox. And then number 2 is, what is number 2? Have you tried this? It's very bitter, very hard. Cappuccino, cappuccino, checkbox. And then I have mocha, mocha, and then mocha checkbox. And then I have, are you guys with me? Macchiato and espresso. Espresso, checkbox. So my interface is almost there. I need to enter the names of the text boxes now. Yes or no? These names of text boxes I need to enter so that I can refer to them in my programming. So if this is selected, then select the quantity. If this is cappuccino is selected, then read or select the quantity. If macchiato is selected, then read the quantity. If it is not selected, then don't read the quantity. Okay, so this is the idea. So quantity is what? Let's give it a name. Latte Q. Latte Q txt. And then cappuccino Q txt, because this is a text box. Mocha Q txt. And then macchiato Q txt. Espresso Q txt. I have given names, the variable names for the text boxes now. Before this, I have given names, the variable names for all these check boxes and the text values also separately. Before that, I have given the variable names for these on the interface and a variable name for this total on the interface. Now, when this is clicked, when this button is clicked, it should go and do what? In the execution. Make total. Anything, any better answer? Total, calculate total is a very broad answer. What should be the first step it should go and do? This guy, place holder. Let's say, okay, I will do this. I will fill up that form here.